Hi, Daniel. It's Mrs. Six. Sorry. Sorry about that. My ear was itching. Had to take a pause. Okay. So I'm in the class as you right now. So you had an email etiquette assignment that you had to submit to me. So that had to be submitted through a Dropbox. So you have done that so far. So let's look at your content really quick. So if we go to, let's look at the email etiquette assignment. Okay. So you submitted something to me from there. So I know that you are able to do that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you to that assignment that you're questioning and show you what you need to do. Okay. So you're in the most dangerous game and you're week 6, right? So you're going, it looks like you haven't even clicked on it yet. So I'm going to the writing paragraph. So obviously you have to do the assignment, right? First. So once you do that, but I'm going to open this up and I'm just going to show you basically what you can do or how to submit it. So once I open up that assignment, it's opening up on my separate page over here. Okay. So this is the assignment, right? So you're supposed to do a one pager on the difference between Rainsford and Zaroff, and basically it's the similarity and difference. This is the outline that I gave you guys that you can use, but it's only a rough draft tool for you to use. You're not supposed to submit it. And you also want to make sure that you are actually writing a paragraph like you did for the 11 assignment, or the 11 assignment should have had a paragraph. So what I would do is I would make sure to complete this, like fill in all of this that you need to do. Then I would open up a new document, a blank document, and from there, I would start my paragraph that you need to do. So remember, you have to put your name, my name, the date, all of that. You need a title. So this is just going to be a test page because I'm going to show you how to submit that or upload it to the Dropbox. So you're going to save it. So I'm going to save it, file, save as. So normally you should have a folder where everything is for your English documents. That's going to be the easiest way for you to keep everything organized. I save everything to my desktop, which is probably the worst idea because my desktop is a hot mess. But you should have everything to basically to some type of a folder. So when I look up there, like I have different folders, obviously, that I can put things in. But like I said, I always do mine to my desktop. So it's crazy. So I just saved it, right? So I'm going to close out of that. I'm going to go back to the classroom and I'm going to hit upload. So I'm going to go to my desktop because that's where I had it. And then I'm going to type test because that's what was in there. And then that test page is right there. I'm going to click that, hit open, and that's going to upload it into that, right? So from there, it's uploaded. And any comments that you want to write to me, you can write. You don't have to, but and then you have to hit submit. So that's gonna put that test page in there, right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm leaving that in there for you, um, just so you can see that how that worked. But that's how you're gonna upload it. It's really simple. So if you have any other questions, let me know.